Many kitchens in India are set for a major transition. The government has mandated that LPG cylinder supply will be stopped in areas where piped natural gas or PNG is available. Households that do not switch within 3 months risk losing their LPG connection. The decision comes from a March 24th order issued by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. The rule is straightforward. If a household has access to PNG and chooses not to opt for it, LPG supply to that address will cease after 3 months. There is, however, a provision for relief. If it is technically not feasible to provide a PNG connection, households can continue receiving LPG, but only after obtaining a no-objection certificate from the authorized entity. This move is closely tied to the ongoing LPG supply challenges India is facing. The war in West Asia has disrupted supply chains, including damage to liquefaction facilities and continued constraints in key roads such as the Strait of Hormuz. India currently meets only about 50 to 60% of its LPG demand through domestic production, with the rest coming through imports.
हम सभी जानते हैं, देश अपनी जरूरत की 60% एलपीजी आयात करता है। इसकी सप्लाई में अनिश्चितता के कारण सरकार ने एलपीजी के डोमेस्टिक उपयोग को प्राथमिकता दी है। साथ ही एलपीजी के देश में ही उत्पादन को भी बढ़ाया जा रहा है।
So the important point is that our dependency, import dependency for LPG is much higher than the import dependency for PNG or LNG. We produce 50% domestically as far as the PNG is concerned. So ये देश हित में है कि हम LPG से PNG पर शिफ्ट हों.
By pushing for PNG, the government aims to free up LPG for places without pipeline access, while also reducing dependence on imports and diversifying energy sources. So, how does PNG differ from LPG? Unlike LPG cylinders that need to be booked and delivered, PNG is supplied continuously through pipelines directly to households. This eliminates the need for refills and reduces the uncertainty associated with delivery delays. It is also seen as a more scalable and stable option, particularly for urban areas where pipeline networks can be expanded efficiently. The new order also focuses heavily on speeding up infrastructure development. Authorities have been directed to grant permissions for laying pipelines within fixed timelines, failing which, approvals will be granted by default. Housing societies and local bodies must allow access within 3 working days, and last-mile PNG connections are to be provided within 48 hours. Applications for pipeline connectivity cannot be rejected in such areas, ensuring that rollout is not slowed by administrative hurdles.